very wonderful occasion as the AA, as a friend of AA. I am here invited to bless the occasion of 90th, 90th Founders Day of AA. And the Consoling Group has done a wonderful thing. Lot of friends and well-wishers have come who are very supportive and encouraging. And I also pray a very good reputation for this group so that they help one another, encourage one another. And it's on an occasion that they celebrate the 48th anniversary of Consoling Group, which is also very fortunate that many have come and support one another, encourage one another. May God bless them in this venture, that they be a help to one another and bring many more closer to this group of Hyderabad. God bless you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.